morning, everyone. Well, it is Thursday morning here in Daytona. Well, technically we're not in Daytona. We're like 35 miles outside of destination Daytona, but that doesn't matter. We are here for Bike Week. And what is the plan for today? Well, there's no real set plan, just having a good time with my pops. But we are going over to destination Daytona first this morning, and then probably Iron Horse Saloon. Who knows? He might do some shopping. I might do some shopping since we are here in destination Daytona, and there are a lot of parts vendors, and there's a lot of brand new 2024 models out there. So who knows what might happen, but you'll have to stay tuned for that. But we're gonna get on the bikes once he gets ready and go get some breakfast first, because I do not want to start this long day on a empty stomach. So let's get rolling.
Throttle cable broke.
Oh shit.
Yeah. That's it. Go get the truck and trailer. Head on. Yeah.
What's it, your throttle cable?
Yeah. So we're 16 miles from destination Daytona, so I'll get it to where I can keep it running.
Fucking ingenious.
Well, we made it safely, but that was definitely an experience, and sometimes you just got to do what you got to do to get to the destination. And luckily he was able to use the throttle cable that he had, wrap it around the grip, and get him to destination Daytona. So how was that experience?
Yeah. Oh, that was fun. Yeah. Enjoyed that in Bike Week traffic.
Hang out, I'll be right back.
Hit it.
So yeah, I was riding around with my blinkers on, so that way people know to kind of avoid us and that we were having a problem.
I was going to my throttle, my thumb, like on a forward. But then when I got into a turn, it gave it extra slack. That's when it shut down.
Right. Yeah. Last 2 miles gave you more hell than anything.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. If I had found a big ravine, I'd have rode it off in there. It's throttle cable.
What?
Well, it's a 91 FXR. It's, well, for this and this one.
91 FXR. Is it stock length bars?
Nope. This is what was on it. This or short.
Okay. How tall are the bars?
I'm sorry, what?
How tall are the bars?
I would say like 4-inch with a pullback.
Yeah.
Well, he might be doing a little bit more shopping than he even planned on. He already planned on doing some shopping, but it might be a little bit more than what he expected.
Oh, that's just a clamp for the gates. Yeah, so you can still clamp that on somewhere and then figure it out later.
Yeah.
Okay. Gate universal. I got it. So you're good? Okay. You need. I love the FXR group, man. I tell you. All right. So we're gonna walk over here and we're gonna ring you up and they'll take care of you.
So, update on the FXR, he is getting it fixed, but he's making some major changes. Risers, bars from SBC Pro, risers from Cooling USA. So, it's going to have a whole different look. Plus, we had to get a throttle cable for that length. The reason he's changing his bars and risers is he's getting something major upgrade that his bars will not fit in. So, stay tuned for that. So, he's going to finish out his FXR for the most part, but it's going to have a whole different look. But we had to literally push it all the way through, all the way up here, and I'm worn out from that. That was tired because we wanted to be safe and not try to ride it because it was already difficult enough just to get it to him.
They either go on your website and order me another damn SNS. But even that, see, yeah. And even if I got my last cable,
Yeah, one. This is the one for the CV.
Yeah, that's not what I. No, you don't.
yep, and that would make my existing cable work. Yeah, so that's what I need to take up, just about that much.
Yeah.
Here you go. How's that?
Thank you, sir.
Well, our good buddies at SNS hooked them up with the right part for the carburetor because we got the new risers on, got the new bars, but too much slack in the cable to find out that it has the wrong piece on it. So this should fix some of that. Cable's still a little bit long, but at least this way he can ride it for the rest of Daytona and not be so mad about it.
Right. One simple little part. Yeah.
Sometimes
Burn it up now anyway.
Sometimes that happens when you're running aftermarket parts or finding out what works with each other. Oh my Lord, that hit the spot. We were gonna go to breakfast this morning, but so we ran into that problem with the bike, had to get it seen about, and it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. So we were hungry, and I've been coming to this barbecue stand or barbecue place at Destination Daytona for the last now 3 years. And the barbecue is just excellent, and I love getting their carrot cake. Boy, finally got to eat something because I was starving, he was starving, and now we can enjoy the rest of the day and not be hungry. Still not gonna tell you guys the big thing that he's putting on there. Plus, I might show you in this video or I might not, just depends, but it won't be going on today. It will be a couple weeks where I'm gonna be back home and then going back down to Navarre to help him install it on his FXR. And I'm excited for him to get that part. But let's go see what's around Destination Daytona now. Alright guys, we did not make it out to the Iron Horse Saloon today, but it's still early for us in Daytona, and we don't want to be worn out because today was a tiring day of getting all the parts, and a lot of it was finding the throttle cable. It's still not the perfect throttle cable, but it's working enough, and also with it not being perfect, did not want something happening at night and then having to run back, get the truck, leave him. Just did not want to take the chance. But we still have a lot to come in Daytona. So how did you like the new bar setup from what you had?
It's gonna be comfortable. It's right height, shoulder height, and it's gonna make the bike feel a whole lot better. Get it all settled in and everything locked up. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun, good handling machine.
Now, aren't you glad though, before even coming down here, changing out your battery from that stock battery to your lithium?
Technology finally caught up with everything else going on. Yeah, that 700 cold cranking amp battery will spin that bike over like it's supposed to. It's never done that.
I guarantee though, if you would have had a stock battery, we would have been pushing it the last little bit because of how many times you cranked that bike because it wouldn't stay cranked.
Oh, it was.
I mean, because what was it?
You get no more than 6 shots at it on a stock battery. If it don't start by 6 times, you're done. You gotta jump it. It just ain't gonna happen.
Right.
So, yeah. No, that lithium ion with that much cranking power, that big engine, that's what you gotta have.
Yeah. Because I guarantee when I need a new battery, I'm going to go lithium for my next battery for a few reasons. One, I can get a lot more cold cranking amps, start that bike a whole lot easier. Not that it's hard to start, but it's also lighter. And especially on the blue bike with that compartment, it is a pain to get that battery out. So that just make it easier. But I hope you like the content. And if you did, think about subscribing, because there is still a lot more Daytona to come, and I still have not revealed what his big thing that he's getting for the FXR. Leave your guesses down in the comment down below, but I hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys next time.